Hello and welcome to my channel. Today I would like to share with you a syncopated step to help you spice up your bachata footwork. Syncopated step basically means that we are dancing to end counts or in between the beats counts as well. They sit right in the middle between the whole counts. The whole counts are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and end counts sit right in the middle between them. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and so on. So this is what the syncopated step looks like. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4, 5 and 6 and 7 and 8. I'm going to face away from you so that it's easier for you to follow me. And since I also teach women, I will start with my right. On 1, we're going to step with our right either to the side or slightly to the back to create more room for our left foot. On end, we're going to tap with our left heel in front, crossing our right, and on 2, step with our left in place. On end, we're going to tap with our right toes in the back. On 3, step with our right to the side. On end, tap with our left together, and on 4 again, tap with our left together. So this is a double tap and 4. Okay, let's try it one more time. 7, 8, 1 and 2 and 3 and 4. Let's go one more time. 7, 8, 1 and 2 and 3 and 4. Now same thing to the other side. On 5, we're going to step with our left either directly to the side or slightly to the back to create more room for our right foot. On end, we're going to tap with our right heel in front, crossing our left. On 6, step with our right in place. On end, tap with our left toes in the back. On 7, step with our left to the side. And on end 8, tap with our right together. And 8. Let's try it again from here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6 and 7 and 8. Now let's put it together. Let's go from the top slowly. 7, 8, 1 and 2 and 3 and 4, 5 and 6 and 7 and 8. And again, 1 and 2 and 3 and 4, 5 and 6 and 7 and 8. And a little bit faster. 5, 6, 7, 8, 1 and 2 and 3 and 4, 5 and 6 and 7 and 8. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4, 5 and 6 and 7 and 8. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4, 5 and 6 and 7 and 8. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4, 5 and 6 and 7 and 8. Well done, and now let's do it with music. Now one more thing before we start. First we'll do a syncopated step to both sides and then side basic. And again, syncopated step and side basic. 5, 6, 5, 6, 7, 8. Basic. And again. Five, 6, 5, 6, 7, 8. Well done, that was all for this class. Please let me know where you're joining me from. I would like to know. And if you would like to learn how you can spice up your bachata footwork using step variations, then you can check out my video over here. And if you would like to learn bachata footwork dance routine, then you can watch this video. Thank you very much for dancing with me, and I will see you in my next one.